Struggling with high CPU usage due to the .NET Runtime Optimization Service? Here are 3 effective fixes to resolve this issue quickly and efficiently. Press Win plus R keys together on your keyboard to open the Run command. In the Run command box, write CMD and press Ctrl plus Shift, plus Enter keys together on your keyboard to open the command prompt in elevated mode. As the command prompt window, open in admin mode. For 64-bit system, type the below commands one by one and hit Enter after each command. CDC, Windows au Microsoft .NET on Framework 64 v4 0.30319 CDC Windows au Microsoft .NET and Framework WAC v4 0.30319 ngnn.exe execute queued items. Go to this link on GitHub. Right-click on Raw and click on Save Link As. Now click and run this downloaded WSF format file on your computer. If a prompt asks you to type of program with which this program is to be run with, then choose Windows Script Host. Search services in Windows 11 search box, then click on Services search icon to open Service Manager. Now, locate NVIDIA Telemetry Container Service. Double-click on this service to open Property window. Make sure Startup type is automatic. Now click on Stop the service, and then again click on Start to start the service. Click on Log On tab now. Click on Browse, type your account name, click on OK. Finally click on Apply and click on OK and close all the windows. Now, try again. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.